In this video you will learn how to get a dealer license for car auctions in Georgia, decide the type of dealer license you will need. If you plan to buy and sell vehicles through auctions, apply for a used motor vehicle dealer license under the Georgia State Board of Used Motor Vehicles. Establish a permanent business location. Set up a business site that meets Georgia's requirements, including an enclosed office, display lot, visible business signage, approved by local zoning authorities. Complete a pre-licensing seminar. Attend the mandatory pre-licensing seminar approved by the Georgia Board to learn state laws and responsibilities of licensed dealers. Obtain a surety bond on insurance. Secure a $35,000 bond and proof of liability insurance to protect your business and even your customers. Complete the dealer license application. Fill out the used motor vehicle dealer application. Include your bond, seminar certificate, zoning verification, and photos of your business. Submit your application and pay the fee. Send and complete application fees to the Georgia Used Motor Vehicle Dealer Bond. Then wait for approval before you participate in car auctions. Now you know how to get a dealer license for car auctions in Georgia. Thanks for watching.